Yo guys, what's up? It's Tutti Frutti here, and today we're going to be doing a pack opening. It's our first video on a different game other than Fortnite. We're going to open 5 packs each, as you can see here. Ryan's going to open first. He's going to open 2 rare player packs, 2 of the 3 common packs, and he's also going to open the big jumbo pack. So Ryan, you go first.
Right then, so guys, this is going to be our first pack then. Okay, that's a bit of a shocker, guys. Let's see what we get.
Ooh. Okay.
Fernandez. Okay. Not the best, but use that one for a squad builder there.
Could use Fernandez for a squad builder.
Yeah. Alright, next pack, guys.
This is going to be terrible.
It's going to be a bad one as well.
May as well just skip these.
Yeah. Because we just did this, so we could have 5 packs each. So there's another squad builder this there. Alright, next pack.
Yeah, you open one more time.
Alright, let's go another bad one. Yeah. Who have we got on these? Alright. Next 81 players plus.
This should be a good one.
Hopefully.
Ooh,
yes, it's a team of the season.
Come on. Oh, if I was De Gea then.
I thought that was De Gea.
Oh.
That is a banging pack there, guys. I thought that was De Gea. Oh, two Spanish guys.
As you can see, I've spent basically all my coins right now on it.
Yeah.
Okay, it's your jumbo one now.
Alright, this hopefully is the best one. That prime won't be good. Alright, come on. Oh.
So, yeah, it's not going to be anyone good.
Might be. Right then. 3 ones for thingy.
Okay guys, so now it's my turn. I'm gonna do my packs now. I've got these 5 to do. I'm gonna open this common one first. I'm just gonna skip it. That's mine. Right. Nothing good in that one. So I'm gonna go into this one now. Yeah.
Follow me. Alright. See what you get in your next one.
Not bad players. Still good for SBCs. So I'm going to go into these ones now.
Yeah.
There you go. Ooh.
Ooh, hello.
Ozil Honor.
Oh. Yes, it's you.
Trying.
That's sick.
It's not a bad
Told
one.
you get good ones. Told you.
Are these tradable?
Yeah. These are tradable ones.
Indeed they are.
Just worth it.
Okay, he isn't going up for much, but
Yeah, but
we'll list this guy up now. List him up for about 13k, there we go. No, I'll keep it for squad builder. Okay, next one. See if we can get any
I'm
better
saying
one.
this is foot birthday. Maybe not.
Yeah, that's no one.
That's another squad builder.
Yep. Yeah. Guess it's someone at the end of the day. And here it is.
Last pack, guys.
The Prime Goal Players one. Let's hope this is a good one. Okay.
Oh.
Cahill.
That's not a bad end to the pack opening there.
That isn't a bad end at all. Okay guys, so we've got one more pack to open. Me and Ryan are both gonna press the A button, so there we go. Let's see who we get. Team of the season possibly? Yes, it's a team of the season! Come on! Then, no.
Look at his stats.
Decent stats there. I rate that guy.
Imagine there just being another team of the season extra enough.
Oh! Yes! Essentia.
My idea.
Well, actually, we both pressed it, so...
My idea. Let's do this.
There we go, we'll take a quick screenshot of that. It's not a bad pack at all. That's a decent pack. Unfortunately, it's untradeable. See, guys, now I'm going to show you my team real quick. This right now is my team at the moment. I'm missing someone out. Let me just have someone quick tap. I'm just going to get Iniesta in. I did have Inform Mahrez over here, but I put him on the transfer list. So normally it would be an 87 rated team. It's not bad. I packed Mane here. And I got obviously De Bruyne and Alana and Herrera from the SBCs.
And I bought Pope and Vardy.
I packed the David Luiz and company. Pope and Vardy I bought. Also the SBC for Peter Crouch and Matip. And if you didn't know, I support Stoke, so that's why I did one for Crouch and not Defoe. But yeah guys, if you want more FIFA videos and hopefully we'll do some more pack openings maybe in the future, yeah, like, subscribe, and see you all later.
Thanks for watching.